Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Next question, example 4. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at rate of 3 cm per minute. Rate change is decreasing means negative means dx by dt is what? Minus 3 cm per minute. Dx by dt is minus 3 cm per minute. Okay, rate change decreasing means negative, increasing means positive. Okay, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 cm per minute means dx by dt is equal to minus 3 cm per minute. Okay, and width y is increasing at the rate of 2 cm per minute. Width y is increasing at the rate of 2 cm per minute. Okay, that is dy by dt is equal to 2 cm per minute. Okay, when x is equal to 10 means when length is 10 and width is 6 cm, when x equal to 10 cm and y is equal to 6 cm, find rate of change of perimeter and rate of change of area of the rectangle. Okay, what we have to find? Rate of change of perimeter dp by dt we have to find, and area if you consider as a rate of change of area of rectangle means dA by dt we have to find. Okay, what is given here? Length of rectangle, length x of rectangle is decreasing at rate of 3 cm per minute means dx by dt is equal to minus 3, and width y is increasing at the rate of 2 cm per minute, dy by dt is equal to 2. Okay, this is given. Okay, we have to find rate of change of perimeter and rate of change of area of the rectangle. Okay, now since x is length and is decreasing and width is y and it is increasing with respect to time, so what we have? Dx by dt is equal to minus 3 and dy by dt equal to 2. Okay, now perimeter of rectangle, what is formula? Perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth, so 2 into x plus y, perimeter is 2 into x plus y. Now rate of change of perimeter with respect to time, dp by dt is equal to what we have? 2 into x derivative with respect to t, dx by dt, plus y derivative with respect to t is dy by dt. 2 into dx by dt plus dy by dt. Okay, now dx by dt is what? Minus 3. dy by dt is what? Plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2, minus 1 into 2 is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 centimeter per minute. So what we have? Rate of change of perimeter is decreasing at the rate of 2 cm per minute. 2 cm per minute. So dp by dt is equal to minus 2 cm per minute. Okay. Next, rate of change of area of rectangle. Rate of change of area of rectangle. Area of rectangle formula is what? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, area of rectangle is length into breadth. So area is equal to x into y. Now rate of change of area with respect to time means dA by dt is equal to, here d by dt of x into y. Product rule, first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. So dx by dt into y plus x into dy by dt. Okay. So dx by dt is how much? Dx by dt is what? Minus 3. So minus 3. And dy by dt is what? Dy by dt is 2. Okay, so what we get? Minus 3y plus 2x. But x value given as 10 centimeter, y value is given as 6 centimeter. So in place of x substitute 10, in place of y substitute 6. So what we get? Minus 3 into 6 plus 10 into 2. Okay, so minus 18 plus 20, 2 centimeter square per minute. So area of rectangle, okay, rate of change of area of rectangle is what? 2 centimeter square per minute. Okay, I'll repeat once again what is given here. In example 4, length of a rectangle, length x of a rectangle is decreasing at rate of 3 centimeter per minute, means dx by dt is equal to minus 3, and width y is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. So dy by dt is equal to 2. Okay, so when x is equal to 10 and y equal to 6, find rate of change of perimeter. Okay, rate of change of perimeter we'll discuss. First of all, perimeter of rectangle is 2 into x plus y. So rate of change of perimeter with respect to time is dp by dt is equal to 2 into d by dt of x plus y, nothing but dx by dt plus dy by dt. 2 into dx by dt is what? Minus 3. dy by dt is what? 2. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. So dp by dt is equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute. Okay, dp by dt is equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute. Okay, next, rate of change of area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So a is equal to x into y. So dA by dt is equal to here product rule, no? So dx by dt into y plus x into dy by dt. Okay, so what we have? Dx by dt is minus 3. At y is equal to 6 we have to find, no? In place of y I'll write 6 plus at x value how much? At x 10. So when x is 10 and dy by dt is how much? 2. Okay, so minus 18 plus 20, that is 2 centimeter square per minute. Okay, example 5. The total cost Cx in rupees is associated with the production of x units of an item is given by cost. Okay, production cost given. Okay, production cost is how much given? Cx is equal to 0.005 x cube minus 0.02 x square plus 30x plus 5000. Okay, where x means number of units. Okay, find marginal cost when 3 units are produced. We have to find marginal cost when x is equal to 3. But what is marginal cost is, where marginal cost we mean the instantaneous rate of change of total cost. Instantaneous rate of change means derivative of total cost. Okay, total cost is what? Cx, no? So marginal cost is equal to c dash of x, means derivative of Cx. Instantaneous rate of change of total cost means derivative of total cost, means derivative of c of x. Okay, marginal cost is equal to dc by dx. dc by dx, where x is number of units produced. Okay, we have to find marginal cost when x is equal to 3 units are produced. So when x is equal to 3, we have to find marginal cost, where marginal cost is rate of change of instantaneous rate of change of total cost, means marginal cost is equal to dc by dx. Marginal cost is equal to dc by dx. Okay, the total cost Cx in rupees associated with the production of x units of an item is given by C of x is equal to 0.005 x cube minus 0.02 x square plus 30x plus 5000. Find marginal cost when 3 units are produced, where marginal cost means instantaneous rate of change of total cost at any level of output. Okay, this is given. Okay, now what is given? Marginal cost is rate of change of total cost, no? Okay, with respect to the output. So marginal cost is equal to what? Marginal cost is equal to dc by dx. So derivative of this part, dc by dx is equal to 0.005 into x cube derivative 3x square minus 0.02 into x square derivative 2x plus 30 into x derivative with respect to x is 1. So 30 plus 5000 constant derivative 0. Okay, so marginal cost is equal to dc by dx, that is how much? 0.005 into 3x square, nothing but 0.015 x square minus 0.04x plus 30. Okay. For marginal cost, when 3 items are produced, means when x is equal to 3 we have to find. So when x is equal to 3, in place of x if you write 3, so marginal cost is equal to what? 0.015 into, in place of x if you write 3, in place of x if you write 3 square minus 0.04 into, in place of x we write 3 plus 30. So what we have? 9 into 0.015, okay, nothing but 0.135 minus 0.04 into 3, nothing but 0.12 plus 30. Okay, so what we have total? 30.015. 30.015. Okay, hence the required marginal cost is what? 30.02, round off month, approximately 30.02. Okay, next question. Total revenue in rupees received from sale of X units of product is given by, okay, my revenue is 3x square plus 36x plus 5. Okay, find marginal revenue when x is equal to 5. Means when x is equal to 5 we have to find marginal revenue. What is marginal revenue? Where marginal revenue is the rate of change of total revenue with respect to the number of items sold at any instant. My here question is to find here what is given is total revenue in rupees received from the sale of x units of a product. Okay, x units of product is given by R of x is equal to 3x square plus 36x plus 5. I have to find marginal revenue when x is equal to 5. When x is equal to 5, we have to find marginal revenue, where marginal revenue means rate of change of total revenue. Total revenue is R of x, that is 3x square plus 36x plus 5. So marginal revenue is rate of change of total revenue. So R of x is equal to marginal revenue is equal to rate of change of total revenue, means R dash of x. Okay, R dash of x. Okay, nothing but dr by dx. Okay. Now what is given? Since marginal revenue is rate of change of total revenue with respect to number of units sold, we have marginal revenue is equal to dr by dx. So derivative of 3x square plus 36x. Okay, 3x square derivative 6x plus 36x derivative 36. So 6x plus 36. So when x is equal to 5, when x is equal to 5 we have to find out. So when x is equal to 5, when x is equal to 5, marginal revenue is equal to, in place of x if you write 5, 6 into 5 plus 36, 30 plus 36, that is 66 rupees. So required marginal revenue is 66 rupees. Required marginal revenue is 66 rupees. Okay. Now with this we completed example problems. Now we will start exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. Okay. First question, find rate of change of area of circle with respect to its radius. So rate of change of area of circle with respect to its radius means dA by dr we have to find. dA by dr we have to find. Okay. First case when radius is 3 cm, second case when radius is 4 cm. Okay. Rate of change of area of circle. First of all, area of circle formula is pi r square. We have to find rate of change of area of circle with respect to radius, means dA by dr we have to find when first case r equal to 3 cm, second case r is equal to 4 cm. Okay. Now solution, let A be the area of circle when its radius is r, and it is given by area is equal to what? Pi r square. Okay. Now rate of change of area with respect to radius is dA by dr. So dA by dr is nothing but d by dr of pi r square. Now pi r square derivative is what? 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. So when r is equal to 3 cm, when r is equal to 3 cm, in place of r if you write 3, 6 pi centimeter square per centimeter. That is first one. Okay. Second one, when r is equal to 4 cm, no? In place of r if you write 4, 2 pi into 4 nothing but 8 pi centimeter square per centimeter. Okay. So in first case, area of circle is changing at the rate of 6 centimeter square per centimeter. when radius is 3 centimeter. Okay, second case, when r is equal to 4, area of circle is changing at the rate of 8 pi centimeter square per centimeter when radius is 4 centimeter. Okay, now here question is, first question, find rate of change of area of circle with respect to radius. Okay, area of circle formula pi r square where r is radius. Okay, rate of change of area of circle with respect to radius means dA by dr we have to find. First case when r equal to 3, second case when r equal to 4. Okay, dA by dr is equal to d by dr of pi r square. Pi r square derivative with respect to r is 2 pi r. Okay, because pi constant, r square derivative 2r. Okay, when r equal to 3, 6 pi centimeter square per centimeter. Okay, second case when r is equal to 4, r is equal to 4, dA by dr equal to, in place of r if you write 4, 8 pi. Okay, 8 pi centimeter square per centimeter. Okay, so area of circle is changing at the rate of 8 pi centimeter square per centimeter. Okay, next question. Okay, my next question, question number 2, the volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeters cube per second. What is given here? Volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 8 cubic centimeter per second. Now rate change with respect to time. So dV by dt is equal to 8. This is one thing. dV by dt equal to 8 cubic centimeter per second, or dV by dt is equal to 8. Okay, increasing means positive. So dV by dt is equal to 8. How fast is the surface area increasing? So we have to find ds by dt. Okay, when length of edge is 12 centimeter. Okay, suppose if you consider length of edge of a cube is x, when x is equal to 12, what is ds by dt? That is the question. When x is equal to 12 centimeter, what is ds by dt? Okay, now let x be the length of the side of cube, v be the volume, and s be the surface area of the cube. What is volume formula? Volume of a cube is x cube when side length is x, and surface area is s, that is 6x square. So what is given in the problem? Given dV by dt is equal to 8 cubic centimeter per second. dV by dt is equal to 8 cubic centimeter per second. Okay, now dV by dt is nothing but d by dt of x cube. d by dt of x cube is equal to what? 8. d by dt of x cube is equal to 8. Now x cube derivative is what? 3x square, and x derivative with respect to t is dx by dt. So 8 is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. So dx by dt is equal to 8 by 3x square. dx by dt is equal to 8 by 3x square. dx by dt is equal to 8 by 3x square. I will mark this one as 1. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find rate change in surface area. How fast surface area is increasing. Okay, rate of change of surface area we are finding. Okay, so what is surface area? Surface area is 6x square. Now rate of change of surface area, ds by dt. So ds by dt is equal to d by dt of 6x square. Okay, now x square derivative 2x, 2 into 6, 12x. X derivative with respect to t is dx by dt. So 12x into dx by dt. 12x into dx by dt. But dx by dt is what? dx by dt is 8 by 3x square from 1. So 12x into 8 by 3x square, 1x cancel ma. 12 into x, 12 into x into 8 by 3x square. Here 3 ones, 3 fours. Okay, 4 into 8, 32. 1x cancel. So 32 by x. Okay, 32 by x. So ds by dt is equal to what? 32 by x. Now when x value 12, we have to find. So rate change in the surface area of cube when edge is 12 centimeter. So when x is equal to 12, so in place of x if you write 12, so ds by dt is equal to 12 by 32 by 12 centimeter square per second. Okay, 4 cancel in numerator and denominator, 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. Okay, 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. Okay, if the length of the edge of a cube is 12 centimeter, the surface area is increasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. Okay, I'll repeat once again. Here given in the question, volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 cubic centimeter per second. So dV by dt is equal to 8. Okay. Now question is, how fast is the surface area increasing when length of edge is 12 centimeter? ds by dt at x is equal to 12 we have to find. Okay, this is the question. Okay, let x be the length of the side of the cube, v be the volume, and s be the surface area of the cube. Okay, so volume of cube formula x cube and surface area is equal to 6x square. Okay, what is given? dv by dt is given as 8 cubic centimeter per second. Okay, now v is x cube, no? So dx cube by dt is equal to 8. dx cube by dt is equal to 8. Okay, x cube derivative is 3x square, x derivative with respect to is dx by dt. Okay, write 3x square this side. So dx upon dt is equal to 8 by 3x square. Mark this one as 1. Here question is to find rate change in surface area. ds by dt we have to find. So ds by dt is equal to d by dt of 6x square, because surface area is 6x square. Surface area of cube is 6x square. Okay, so d by dt of 6x square. Now x square derivative is 2x. 2 into 6, 12x. Okay, 12x into x derivative with respect to t, dx by dt. 12x into dx by dt. 12x into dx by dt. Okay, now dx by dt is what? 8 by 3x square from 1. So in place of dx by dt, I'll write 8 by 3x square. So 12x into 8 by 3x square. Now 1x cancel. 3 ones, 3 fours. So 4 into 8, 32 upon x. ds by dt is equal to 32 upon x. When side length is 12 centimeter, when x is equal to 12, we have to find ds by dt. So when x is equal to 12, ds by dt is equal to 32 upon 12. Okay, 4 cancel in numerator and denominator. What we get? 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. So ds by dt is equal to 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. Okay. Now if length of the edge of a cube is 12 centimeter, then the surface area is increasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Okay, so what is given here? Radius of circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. So dr by dt is 3. dr by dt is 3 centimeter per second. Okay, find the rate at which area of circle is increasing. Find the rate at which area of circle is increasing when radius is 10 centimeter. Means we have to find dA by dt we have to find. dA by dt we have to find when r is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. My area of circle formula. Area of circle is pi r square, where r is radius of the circle. Okay. Pi r square, A is equal to pi r square. Okay. R is radius is r centimeter. Okay, so area of circle is pi r square. A is equal to pi r square. Now what we have to find? Rate change in area, means dA by dt we have to find. So dA by dt is equal to d by dt of pi r square. Okay, pi r square derivative is 2 pi r derivative with respect to t is dr by dt. So 2 pi r into dr by dt. Okay, in question what is given? Radius of circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Means dr by dt is given as 3 centimeter per second. So given dr by dt equal to 3 centimeter per second. Okay, so substitute dr by dt value 3 here. So what we get? 2 pi r into 3, nothing but 6 pi r. So dA by dt is equal to 6 pi r. dA by dt is equal to 6 pi r. So when r is equal to 10, dA by dt is what? 6 pi into, in place of r if you write 10, 10 into 6, 60 pi centimeter square per second. So area at which area of circle is increasing when radius is 10 centimeter is 60 pi centimeter square per second. 60 pi centimeter square per second. Okay. Now what is given is radius is increasing, radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Means dr by dt is equal to 3 centimeter per second. You have to find rate change of area of circle. Okay, when radius is 10 centimeter. So area is equal to area of circle is pi r square. Okay, differentiating with respect to t, rate change of area with respect to time is dA by dt is equal to d by dt of pi r square. Pi r square derivative 2 pi r into dr by dt. So 2 pi r into dr by dt. Dr by dt how much given? 3. So if you write in place of dr by dt 3, so what we get? dA by dt is equal to 6 pi r. Okay, when r is equal to 10, in place of r if you substitute 10, so dA by dt is equal to 60 pi centimeter square per second. Okay, so the rate at which area of circle increasing when radius is 10 centimeter is 60 pi centimeter square per second. Okay, next question number 4. An edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Suppose if you consider edge of a cube is x, what is given here? Edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. So dx by dt is given as 3 centimeter per second. This is first point. Okay, how fast volume of cube is increasing when edge is 10 centimeter long? Means we have to find dv by dt when x is equal to 10. dv by dt when x is equal to 10. That is the question. Okay, what is given? Once again I'll repeat. Edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. So dx by dt is given as 3 centimeter per second. What we have to find? How fast the volume of a cube is increasing. So dv by dt when x is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, let x be the length of the side and v be the volume. Then volume formula is x cube. So rate of change of volume dv by dt is equal to d by dt of x cube. X cube derivative is 3x square. X derivative is dx by dt. Okay, now dx by dt how much it is given? 3 centimeter per second. So in place of dx by dt substitute 3. So what we get? 9x square. dv by dt is equal to 9x square. Okay, so rate of change of volume with respect to time is 9x square. But at what point we have to find rate of change of volume? When edge length is 10 centimeter. Okay, when x is equal to 10. So when x is equal to 10 we have to find. So when x is equal to 10, dv by dt is equal to 9 into in place of x if you write 10 square. 10 square is 100 into 9, 900 cubic centimeter per second. So rate of change of volume is 900 cubic centimeter per second. Okay, so volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 900 cubic centimeter per second when edge length is 10 centimeter. Okay, now here given that an edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. So rate of change of side length, if your side length is x, rate of change of side length is given as 3 centimeter per second. So dx by dt is equal to 3. Okay, how fast volume of cube is increasing? So dv by dt we have to find. Okay, so volume of a cube is x cube. dv by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. dx by dt is given as 3. If you substitute in place of dx by dt 3, we get dv by dt is equal to 9x square. So when x is equal to 10, okay, rate of change of volume when x is equal to 10, okay, in place of x if you substitute 10, so what we get? dv by dt is equal to 9 into 10 square. 10 square is 100, 100 into 9 is 900 cubic centimeter per second. So volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 900 cubic centimeter per second when edge length is 10 centimeter. Okay, now we will conclude up to here. We will continue remaining problems in next class. Okay, thank you.